Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making chocolate dipped animal crackers. All you guys need is 3 simple ingredients to make this quick and easy dessert. So I'm using Trader Joe's organic animal crackers today. You guys can use your favorite. And then you're going to need some dark chocolate. And I'm using my favorite mini organic dark chocolate chips that I always use for melting. But if you guys want to chop up a chocolate bar, you can totally do that too. And if you want to use milk chocolate or white chocolate, go for it. This recipe is super flexible. And then you're just going to need some sprinkles. And now you guys can use any kind of sprinkles you want for this. If you're making these for Christmas, you can use like red and green. If you're doing Valentine's Day, you can use pink and purple, or you can just use some rainbow nonpareils like I'm using today. First, we're gonna add the chocolate into a heat-proof bowl. Then we're going to melt in the microwave doing 30-second intervals, stirring between each one. So once the chocolate is completely melted, then we're just gonna half dip the animal crackers in the chocolate and place them on the baking sheet. So once all the animal crackers are half dipped in chocolate, then you're just gonna add the sprinkles right on top of the chocolate. Once all the animal crackers have sprinkled, then it's just time to pop the tray in the freezer and let them set for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now we have the most delicious chocolate dipped animal crackers. These chocolate dipped animal crackers are so easy to make, and I especially love serving them at a party. Kids love them and adults love them just as much. They're also perfect if you add them onto a dessert board with like cookies and brownies and biscottis and other desserts. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.